the red horizon line. A god of skill and fire frozen out of time. The ground begins to tremble where the shadow falls. High above the wreckage, yeah, the demon calls. The ancient breath begins to burn. To the dust and cinders, everything shall turn. He is the end of kings and every crown they wore. A beast of silent thunder and 1,000 wars. Balerion, the black dread rising from the deep. A nightmare in the daylight while the kingdoms sleep. Fire and blood are raining from the empty sky. Watch the world go silent when the dragons fly. Balerion, the fire consumes the stone and bone. One shadow cast across the iron of the throne. Melting like the winter ice. No wall can hold the heat or pay the heavy price. A fortress made of vanity is now a tomb. Within the blackest fire is a nation's doom. The spirit of the dark descends where the light is broken and the story ends. Man and woman screaming in a single breath, walking through the valley of the dragon's death. Balerion, the black dread rising from the deep. A nightmare in the daylight while the kingdoms sleep. Fire and blood are raining from the empty sky. Watch the world go silent when the dragons fly. Balerion, the fire consumes the stone and bone. One shadow cast across the iron of the throne. Prehistoric power that no soul can bear. From the ruins of Valeria, the Titan came, writing out his legacy in liquid flame. Balerion, the black dread rising from the deep. A nightmare in the daylight while the kingdoms sleep. Fire and blood are raining from the empty sky. Watch the world go silent when the dragons fly. Balerion, the fire consumes the stone and bone. One shadow cast across the iron of the throne.